कंधों को मिला के कंधों से तारीख के पीछे चलते हैं, जब मिला के चलते हैं कदम तो दिल दुश्मन के जलते हैं। कंधों को मिला के कंधों से।
Hi Nikita, how are you?
So I'm good, and I'm feeling that you are also doing great.
Okay. So Nikita, tell me something about yourself first.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself.
Mhm.
My name is Nikita Rathi, and I am basically from Bahadurgarh, Haryana. I belong to a joint family which includes my grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, father, mother, my cousins,
Mhm.
my younger brother, and me myself. My father is a government official, and my mother is a hardworking homemaker. I had completed my 12th from RAV Senior Secondary School at Jajja with a percentage of 94.4. And currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in life sciences at Gargi College in Delhi University. My
Okay, so
hobbies
you
are
have said
reading.
that you are from Bahadurgarh in Haryana. So tell me something about Haryana.
So, Haryana is a place from where maximum number of army personals go in the military.
Mhm.
And it is also the place where in the history, many fights occurred.
Okay. Anything else you want to share with us?
No, so that's all.
Okay. So the sex ratio of Haryana is lowest among all the states. So what's your
Yes,
opinion over
sir.
this?
So I think it is because many areas in this in Haryana are like they don't want girl child they don't want.
Mhm.
But I'm against this issue, and my family is also against this because there are many backward places in Haryana. That's the main reason for this lower sex issue.
Okay. So Nikita, just like tell me that what is your biggest weakness?
So my biggest weakness is the overthinking, which I usually do before performing any task,
Mhm.
uh, because I want every work in a perfect manner. But when it comes in my personal issues, it creates a lot of confusions. That's why I want to overcome from this weakness.
Okay, so currently what you are doing to overcome your weakness?
So I'm starting many innovative and motivational speeches so that I can't overthink about anything. And
Mhm.
I will, if someone command me for doing any work, then I will straightforward do that work. Don't overthink about it because it creates lots of confusions and creates even fights among people.
Okay. So tell me about your proudest achievement.
So my proudest achievement is that when I got the title of best dancer among Russians, I
Mhm.
had worked hard for that, and on that day, that was like my dream come true. And I'm proud because my devotion towards dance paid off on that day.
Okay. So you are so interested in dance, then why you want to join the military nursing service? Why not? Why
So,
don't you want to be a dancer?
so I want to serve those people who are serving for our nation, for our motherland, with
Mhm.
honesty and sincerely. I always desired to become a military nursing officer because I feel that if I'm serving those people, then I'm serving directly to my motherland.
Okay, so when you will join the military nursing service, so at that time you want to focus more on your dance, your on your hobbies, or want to excel in dance, or just like you want to serve for your whole life.
So dancing is in my hobby, and
Mhm.
military nursing service is my job. So I will firstly focus on my job, and then for the rest whole time that is being left, then I will focus on my dance.
Okay, so one question arises from here that what is the ultimate goal of your life?
My ultimate goal is to serve those who are serving for our motherland, and
Mhm.
mm, for we youngsters who are aspiring to be who are aspiring a dream for full a career full of adventure. Maybe military nursing service is the best option for that. So my ultimate goal is to become military nursing officer.
Okay, but if we discuss about the life goals, just like we are discussing here about ultimate life goal, so military nursing service is just a target that you have to achieve in this year, and after 4 years you are going to be commissioned, right? So the thing is that
Yes.
I'm asking here about the ultimate life goal, just like it's just a target. What's the ultimate
So
goal of your life?
my ultimate life goal is to get those 2 stars on my shoulder and
Mhm.
want to feel my family proud, and I want to serve our motherland and become a respectable and lovable military nursing officer in whole of India.
Okay, in whole of India. Okay, so according to you, what are the qualities of an army officer?
So an army officer must be good at communication skills, interpersonal skills, and problem solving skills.
Mhm.
He or she must possess a good moral character, a strong moral character even, and he or she must be devoted to our community.
Okay, so one question for you from the general knowledge skills, that who is the current chief of military nursing service in India?
Uh, she is Major General Sonali Ghoshal.
Okay, I have one another question for you, that where is the capital of Syria?
It is Damascus.
Okay, so do you have any idea about the gallantry awards in the Indian Army?
So yeah, there are 3 gallantry awards that are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra.
Okay, so just like as per my knowledge, there are two type of gallantry awards: wartime awards and peacetime awards. So among the
Yes.
wartime awards, can you explain something about the Paramveer Chakra?
So Paramveer Chakra is the main award uh, given in the war time, not in the peace time, and it is one of the biggest award in the military given to the army personnel.
Okay, so do you have any idea when it was first given and it was given to whom?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay,
Actually, I don't remember.
so do you know that how many MNS colleges are there across the country?
So there are 6 colleges across the country.
Mhm. So please tell
Uh,
me the
and
names.
Yes, sir, sure. First is AFMC Pune,
Mhm.
AH Kolkata, CH
Mhm.
Kolkata, sorry, CH Bangalore, uh, CH Lucknow, INHS Ashwini, and AH New Delhi.
And in which college you want to go?
Sir, I want to go to AFMC Pune.
Any specific reason for that?
Yeah, sir, it is the biggest and famous among our country for becoming an military nursing officer,
Mhm.
and it is like my dream college that I want to go to FMC Pune. That's why I'm.
Okay, so I have a question for you. Just like 100 kg of iron and 100 kg of wool, which is more heavier?
So they are of same weight.
Okay, that's great. They are of same weight, right? So, Nikita, tell me that how you spent your yesterday.
So I spent my yesterday in a great view. Firstly,
Mhm.
I had to complete my institutional classes.
Mhm.
Secondly, I have my college classes. And as earlier, I had told that my hobby is dancing. So I had practiced dance for an hour and then just day finished.
Okay, so Nikita, what if we permanently reject you?
So if you permanently reject me, then I will go for a government job because
Mhm.
it is also like our serving motherland.
Okay, we'll go for a government job.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why not a doctor? Why a nurse in the Indian Army? Just like if you want to serve your motherland, you can also serve as a doctor. Then why you want to go as a nursing officer?
So, as I am very social personality and I want to live with people, talk with people, with different area peoples. And in my priority, I don't think that doctor has so much time that he or she will give that to talk with the patients and other peoples. But
Mhm.
nurses do the same, and they always take care of the patient, talk with them patiently. That's why I want to be a military nursing officer instead of a doctor.
Okay. So I think so that last year you also gave the exam, right?
Yes, sir.
And what was your score?
It was 110.
It was 110. So from the last year till this year, what have you done to increase your knowledge in military nursing service?
So for increasing my knowledge, I had joined a Be Personified Institute, which is giving me a great motivate and a good study material so that I can clear the military nursing service exam this year surely.
Okay. So Nikita, what is the meaning of discipline for you?
So discipline is something which makes us that we can perform any duty properly and sincerely. Discipline is something which mm, which makes us sensible and sincere towards our society
Mhm.
and our community.
Okay, Nikita, imagine you are in a room. Room is
Yes.
closed and the room is inside your house. Room is closed and there is no any window in that room. You are inside the room, you have no internet facilities, no laptops, no mobile phones. And I'm asking you the exact temperature of that room. How you are going to tell me that?
So then I will am in my home. It's mean opinion. It's mean. Then I will call my mother or my other family member and call them and ask them that what is the temperature.
Okay, that's so great. Okay, so Nikita, that what special you have done while the preparation of this interview?
So I had practiced a lot of questions, took questions from Google and start thinking about them that what should be the answer in my priority. I had taken help even from my brother,
Mhm,
who is currently preparing for UPSC.
mhm.
He also helped me a lot, and that's all.
Okay, so it was a nice interaction with you, Nikita. So please wait for 1 minute and then we will give you the feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Nikita, everything was all well, but there's a saying that you can improve more. It was very good and the efforts were too good from your end. But the thing is that start speaking more confidently, work more and more on your vocabulary, and this is all I have to say. Improve
Thank you,
your
sir.
skills daily, just like this is a sample interview. Soon you are going to appear for the real interview. Now, the
Yes,
performance
sir.
you have performed today, the performance you have given today, on that day, your performance must be 100x. Try to speak in the front of the mirror, and in this way, you are going to improve your communication skills and also your vocabulary. So this is all from our.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, most welcome.
वतन मेरे वतन